There's Claude Code, and Claude Code within the Claude Code kind of framework here, this is where it gets really agentic, right? It can do a lot more. You can tell it the thing to do, and it will create the tool set to go out and do the thing. And it codes it. That's how it creates to do the tool set. And then there's another layer into this, right? And that is actually using something like Visual Studio Code, which has Claude Code embedded in it. And this is where the real power starts to happen because if you have Visual Studio Code and I can literally just type in Claude, and then once I type in Claude, I literally have Claude here. And then I can have it start to connect to things. I can have it start figuring out how to integrate with things. I can have it start doing all kinds of things that I want it to do simply by speaking it into existence. Like, how could I connect this page with our GoHighLevel? I'm not going to actually have it do it, but it would go out and figure out how to do the thing.